still in. So I'm just, letting you. Yeah. And
There it is.
yeah, and we
The Empire State
the
Building.
villa company that I was doing. I forgot
It's
the
right
name
beyond
of the
that
company.
border.
Double check. She's very sweet. She advertised, but I haven't been able to reach her
So
again.
almost
But
there.
we gave her an extra ad because I had the space, and she has those villa properties. They're like 44,000 a night. The top villa. Yeah. Yeah, the source. Right. And she's very sweet. So
Oh, wow.
I just, they're on a tight budget too. It's weird. I know. 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 All right, so I'll write something up and let's talk. I'm actually taking next week. I'm actually taking a week kind of off. Not really. It's part business travel, part here staying. Business. It's business and pleasure. I'm taking a trip to try to get some business. So I'll be on sale if you need me, but I'll put something together. You'll get it probably the following week. I'll write something up. All right. So in other words, Karen and Kevin want to do more elaborate of something. Okay. Okay. But they're going to write a separate contract, separate from what you and I do, correct?
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Kyle loves it. Yeah. Lay it on me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Right. It's good. Right. Like if it's, yeah. Mm-hmm.
No police, no
Right.
penalty, no prison.
So they're gonna have to pay you
Presidents
or me.
want everything.
Let's just
What? Okay, now that is art.
right.
New York City,
Okay.
they go all out. They're like gods.
Yeah. So then there's no reason to put.
Hello, the following
They'll get it as a discount. Yeah. I don't want to. I'm gonna because between you and I, you don't. It was like pulling teeth to get the money. So, yeah, like pulling teeth.
Fine.
So I don't want to put it in for like $50,000, and then they're like, oh, you're gonna get them. We're gonna pay the tourist board. They have to pay you, and then you're chasing, or vice versa. So I would rather, I could write it up. They'll get the discount that you get. I'll offer them the discount, but they have to pay me, and they have to pay me way in advance. You know what I mean? Like I don't want them to know that that you, me, and Justin you get this incredible extension. Like I want them to commit before New Year's, and then we're set. You follow? Okay. As long as you and I are on the same page. Yeah. All right. Yeah, because then if they want to be part of the Palm Beach, then I could put that in their paperwork as well. So I'll send. What I'm going to do is when I get back, or maybe this weekend, I will send an email. And do you want me to CC you on it with a proposal for them, or just keep it separate? Okay. All right. Then let me, yep. Okay. All right. Okay, cool. All right, thanks. Thanks, Pamela. Have a good night. Okay, bye. Bye. Bye.
We finally made it. New York City. Home of the gods. The best place I've ever been
Jordan
to.
lives next door to the takoyaki.
What? He does?
Yeah.
We should go in and say hi.
He said he's out east.
Shrimp. I hope we can find the Statue of Liberty.
Wow, Powerball is 620 million? We need to buy that. Did you see that?
You're not kidding. Oh my god. Dinosaur picture? I gotta zoom in. Dang. There it is. I see it. In why? 'Cause New York is awesome. Wow, these guys get a lot of. They advertise a lot of stuff. Hades Town. Now that's beautiful. Jumbotron on a taxi. Nice.
Is your phone charged, Kyle?
Mm-hmm. Now this is a great tunnel.
Hello? I'm in the tunnel. We're in the, yeah. Jordan, I think Jordan's staying out, but on the way out, we'll probably stop and get his takoyaki. Do you know that the place that I take Kyle to for takoyaki is, Jordan said it's right, literally, next to where he lives. Oh, he's in the city tonight? Oh, I thought he was with Eric today. I asked him if he wanted to go. I guess he's busy. I don't know. I said we. I told him we'd pick him. We could pick him up now with the car. We just got here. I asked him. I obviously he's busy because I asked him. I don't know. Well, if you talk to him, you could say I could pick him up with the car. We're just in the tunnel. So, all right. No, I just texted him. I said, do you want to have lunch? Since you're out there, do you want to have lunch with Kyle and I tomorrow? We could go to dinner, I said we could go to either Dirty Taco or we could go to Jordan's Lobster Farm, and he said he has plans this whole weekend. So, all right. I don't know why he'd like. This is a great. It's a private club we're going to. It's a private. What's it, ma'am? What's the name of the club again that we're going to? What's Classic Car Club? Yeah, it's a members only Classic Car Club. All right. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Mom, he's in the other side of the car.
This is the best place I've ever been.
Yeah, it's a big car. He can't hear you. Yeah. Yeah. All right. All right. All right. Bye. Bye.
Getting the best footage. Get ready, guys. We're going turbo. In a good way. Wow, iPhone 13. I still can't believe they still have that billboard after all this time.